Welcome today in front of me HUAWEI Nova Y70, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should let's first launch the app gallery, and here in the search pool we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this first application. That's why I tap to get, click continue. Tap here to download and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Then just tap here to allow, click install. Now we can see that the Ampere app installed successfully. Let's find it somewhere here. Tap yes, I agree, pick close, tap OK. OK again on the left down corner, and here we can see the information with health of our device battery. In my case, that's good. And also you can find here more information like the battery temperature, model, just health, device level, capacity, and more other information. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.